Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this CMF by nothing. It's Buds Pro 2. So the problem is battery backup. It's just giving 2 minutes battery backup. So I have to replace the battery of these two earbuds. So I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of one of these earbuds. The other one I will do it offline. So I'm going to fix the left side of this earbud. So right side is similar. So let me give some heat to take this apart. So let me give some heat and come back. So I have given some heat and the bonding of the glue has become weak. So you can see slowly it is coming. You should not give force so that there will be tiny flux cable. It will be delicate here. So you can see slowly I am going to take this. There will be flux cable running behind. Again I am telling here. So you may end up breaking the flux cable. So this is lithium ion battery here. So let me clean some glue here further and come back. So I have removed this glue here, you can see. So now I can access this top part here. You can see it is very delicate, so be careful. So because of the old battery, it might be possibilities of bulging. So since this is lithium ion battery, so this is connected to flux cable here, so be careful. And now there is a sticker here that I am going to remove slowly. That's it. So I am going to keep this separately. So this is the battery here. So this is one of the terminal going towards this point. So there will be flux cable and it will be connected over there. So very delicate work. So be careful. So alright, now I am going to see. This is holding. There is so much of glue in this. So I am going to cut out this terminal here so that it will be easy to access the battery. So then we can solder and throw the rest of the pin, because I am going to use this battery here, lithium ion polymer battery, which is of same specification and the first quality battery I am using here. So alright, so I have removed this cover here as well. So because we have to take out this flux cable which I have removed here. So now to access this flux cable towards this side, we have to take out this motherboard here so that we can pull the battery section with the flux cable completely. Then we can replace the battery. So let me do that. So slowly by pulling like this, flux cable will come, motherboard will be here. So it is safe now to replace the battery. So we have to remove the negative terminal here. So this is the negative terminal. Let me desolder that. So showing in the camera is a bit difficult. So let me remove that and come. So finally I have removed the battery of this earbud. So it's time to replace the battery. You can see the flux cable. So here and there it is running. So it is very highly complicated model, but it can be replaceable. Battery can be replaceable. So if you want me to replace the battery, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. If you are from Bangalore, you can send it to me or you can visit here physically. It is very time consuming. You have to give some time to replace. And as well as if you are from other states or other city which is not from Karnataka, please do send courier to my place through India Post Office. Speed Post Courier is the courier name. So you can send it to me. It will be cheaper as well, and you can send it from any part of India to here Bangalore to replace the battery. So alright, now I am going to keep this battery separately, and I am going to install this lithium ion polymer battery with this earbud. So alright, let me do that. So I have positioned the battery in this flux cable. Just we have to solder this B plus and B minus with this black wire and red wire of the battery. So red is plus and the black is minus, so it will go to B minus here, and red is plus, so it will go to B plus here. Then we have to connect the flux cable to the motherboard. So let me solder this and come here. So I have soldered this sorry. So I have soldered the B minus and B plus respectively to the terminals. So now it's time to position the battery, and as well as we have to connect this flex cable here. Very delicate work, very tiny work, so be careful if you are doing by yourself. Alright, let me put it back. So I have connected the flex cable here, everything is positioned properly. Now just we have to put this cover here. So let me put this back to its place. Very challenging work. So I have connected it already to my smart device. I have tested now in between. So you can see here Buds Pro 2 has connected, 30% is there, so it is started working and playing the audio perfectly. So let me keep this in the case and check it. Before pasting I want to check simply. You can see, so started charging, you can see here. So perfect. So alright, so left side has been done. Now it's time to replace the battery of the right side, which I will do offline. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioWiz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.